welcome to Neversink Farm. Here Broadforking in the field. And you know, we're a no-till farm, so there's no BCS tractor in the field or four-wheel tractor. We're not inverting the soil layers. And but one practice that no-till farmers use is broadforking. We do it a lot less than we used to. In no-till, it's something that can help in the beginning to help loosen soil and help get amendments down deeper. But as soil becomes more mature, the need for it is going to decrease because healthy soil is going to be full of air anyway. Because the broad fork is about making air enter into the soil. And that's what the tines are going to do. And you're just lifting a bit to just loosen it and help trap a bit of air. So on a no-till farm, it's not going to hurt your soil. It's not going to hurt the life in the soil. It's not going to have any effect on it whatsoever. You're not inverting soil layers or anything. You're not tilling it, which is going to, speed up the composition of organic matter or anything like that. It's going to be perfectly fine. It's just about, not overdoing it where you're just doing too much work without a lot of benefit. So if your soil is already loose, probably not much of a reason to do it. If it's very, very tight and compacted, especially in the spring, then it can really help accelerate the development of the soil. All right, so check out some of the other no-till videos I got, and until next time.